Welcome to the video 1 of the Custom Home Building for Newbies series. This video series provides insights into custom home building process, including various steps involved in building a house from making an offer on the land till completing the house construction and moving in. In the first video, we will touch upon various options available for building a new home, the challenges involved in building a custom home, and ways to reduce the overall duration and cost of the project. Custom Home Building for Newbies by Creekside Willows is a book published in Amazon with more details on the custom home building process that would help anyone new to custom home building to understand the process from start to finish so that they are better prepared if they decide to build a custom home. The video series shares some highlights from this book. With that background, let us get into some details. Are you planning on or considering building a new home and wondering how to proceed? Well, if you are one of them, then there are a few options for you to consider. If you do not have a specific design in mind, then one of the best options for you is to look for builders that provide standard designs of home to choose from. Among the list of available designs, you can choose the one that you like the most. In general, such builders allow minor customizations to the design for an additional fee to meet your requirements. This option in general is the less time-consuming and less expensive one compared to others. In case none of the standard designs provided by these builders are close to what you have in mind, then the next best option is to look for architects or designers. Generally, the architects or designers have many designs to choose from, and there is a possibility for you to find a design that might meet your needs. This would be the second best option. Some amount of customizations are allowed with this option as well. The other option is to go completely custom by designing and building a house from scratch based on what you have in your mind or what you envisioned. The complete custom option, though would meet all your needs, will come with a few challenges as well. The first and foremost is the higher cost and longer duration. The full custom home can take 2 years to complete. This option requires more involvement from you, the owner, as only you have the complete design in your mind, and therefore will be required to check the progress made on a regular basis, if possible on a daily basis, to make sure everything is done as per what you have envisioned. Sometimes you might run into issues as you might not have foreseen certain aspects when you designed in the beginning. This might require you to make minor adjustments and compromises as necessary. It is always better to be prepared for such uncertainties time to time till the project ends. Though a full custom home can take time, there are ways to reduce the overall duration of the project by planning better. The first and foremost is to understand the different steps involved and the dependencies between these steps, starting with conducting feasibility studies on the land, permitting process, site development, and the actual building construction. There are certain tasks that can be done in parallel that can save time in the end. Details of such activities are mentioned in more detail in the book. Though a full custom home construction can cost more than building a standard design from a builder or a designer or an architect, there are ways to save money based on your priorities and how flexible you can be. One way is by choosing the building approach, modular building versus stick-built. Similarly, how much work you would want your building contractor to complete, and how much work that you can coordinate yourself and get done. Also, what kind of finish are you looking for, and how much of work you want to complete before you move in, and how much you are willing to take up later as DIY projects after you move in. More such details are mentioned in the book, including details of every step from buying land, conducting feasibility studies, designing, permitting, site preparation, building the house, exterior work to be done, etc., along with ways to save time and cost at each of these steps. The Custom Home Building for Newbies book is available in Kindle, ebook, and paperback formats at Amazon that has more details on the end-to-end custom home building process mentioned step by step from buying land to building house, along with overall timelines and ways to save time and money. The subsequent videos of this series will delve a little bit deeper into some of these steps. More details are available in the book. You can purchase it at Amazon. Custom Home Building for Newbies by Creekside Willows. See you in the next video.